Welcome back to the channel, guys. Once again, we getting at it. As you can see, we got the wheels mounted and balanced for the Pontiac, the 79 T-top that we're doing. It looked real good. The fitment the customer wanted to go, he's going 26 by 10 in the rear, 24s in the front, but say you want to squat them. So with that being said, we're gonna have to make some serious modifications to the car. Detroit Speed make a mini tub kit that'll actually give you 2.5 to 3 inches more clearance for a wider rim in the rear. So that's definitely what we need. We're gonna take you step by step on the things that we do here at VTSV to fit this mini tub. It's also the wheels and everything, this part of the build with the 79 T-top. So y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like the channel, subscribe, everything helps. Support each other, and let's just keep it going. Stay tuned. As you can see, we're doing the tub on the 78 Pontiac Firebird, rider rear wheel. Well, these are the pieces of the Detroit Speed mini tub kit. You have to bend them. These are the actual wheel supports. Once you cut it out, it's actually a support for the actual wheel too. And you can see them here, he already bent them. He already bent them metal.
Chris, those are welding on the fender well first, or welding? I'll do weld there first. There was there.
Yeah. So we're gonna weld these first to the area we already cut out, and then fit the wheel tub in. Detroit mini tub. Detroit mini. God just let me know that the edge, this is where the tub flange will meet. So we have to grind all of this down, clean all of the weld up. Additional 2 inches come off of this to widen the tubs. So step by step. The top piece above the wheel well is here. It's the one they didn't do, but if you remember over there, that side they cut. Well, now the guy noticing that they cut the face piece, which this here, they're only supposed to trim it. They didn't supposed to remove the whole piece, to remove this whole piece here. They were just supposed to trim it, but if you see on that side, the whole piece gone. So he got to fabricate that top part. Tacked in. Okay, we got the temporary fit in. You see it's pretty much level where it's gonna be. Tacked. With the contour, the cut around the contour, you know, pretty fucking good. You know, so now we got the 2.5, 3-inch more clearance under the good new metal. Turbo build we're doing here at VTSV Auto. We actually put a thicker wall, put a firewall, and just brought it out. Put that in, moved it out, and moved it in. Got AC. A lot of rust work, still got some work.